Hello, and welcome to our Listening Note-Taking Methods course. This course is for English level B1 to C2, that's intermediate to advanced. This is a 12-hour course made up of 4 lessons of note-taking strategies, abbreviations and symbols, outlines, and the Cornell notes system. It includes 27 listenings, sample notes, and answers. This is what you will learn on the course, and these are the key concepts. The course consists of 4 lessons. Each lesson includes a digital lesson booklet to download. This is what each lesson includes. Let's look at the course. So each lesson has an introduction page where you can download the booklet. Note-taking Methods 1 has a presentation on note-taking strategies with exercises. It then includes micro and mini listening lectures. Each lecture has a vocabulary, note-taking framework, answers, and transcript. The 8-minute lecture at the end practices using an outline. Note-taking Methods 2 is similar to 1, but focuses on abbreviations like this. Note-taking Methods 3 and 4 focuses on the Cornell notes system, like this. The mini lectures focus on this type of note-taking system, like this, with vocabulary, answers, and transcript. Note-taking Methods 4 is the same format but focuses on STEM subjects, which are science, technology, engineering, and maths. Overall, this is a top quality academic English course written by university academic English tutors. Thank you.